Hello, and welcome to this tutorial. In this video we will go through how to run a Schneider ATV312 VFD in local mode. First I will do a factory reset to the drive. To do so we want to go to the DRC menu. Then go to FCS, and then to INI and hold it for 1 to 2 seconds. This will factory reset the drive. Next we want to do the motor settings to the drive. To do so we need to look at the motor's plate. I will use this one as example. To get to the motor settings on the drive we want to click on the DRC menu. Then we click on BFR, here we can set the standard frequency. Then we go to the UNS parameter. Here we can set the motor's nominal voltage. In the FRS menu we want to set the motor's maximum frequency. The NCR menu is for the motor's nominal current. I will set this to 1.7, which is the closest to 1.74 that is on the motor's plate. The NSP menu is the nominal speed of the motor. It can be found on the revolutions per minute on the motor plate. I will set mine to 2650. The next menu is the cosinus sign. My motor have 0.87. This is all the setting we need to set for the motor. We can also do some extra settings to the local drive. If we go to the set menu, then to ACC menu we can set the ramp up time. I will set it to 2 seconds. In the DEC menu we can set the ramp down time. I will set it to 2 seconds too. In the LSP menu we can set a lowest frequency we want the motor to drive on. And on HSP menu we can set a maximum frequency we want the motor to be able to run on. I will keep them on the default settings. In the ITH menu we can set an overload current. I will set mine to 1.7 since it's the motor's nominal current. Now if we go back to the main menu, then hold the mode button for 3 seconds. This will make the drive set to local mode. We can now choose a frequency we want to run at and press run. And if we press stop the motor will stop running. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe.